everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing another explanatory solution of codezinger question using JavaScript. Let's get started. We will solve this question. Question has an elements of array. Like we have to replace every element of the array with the greatest element of its left side. It means we have elements of array. We will replace every element with the greatest element of its left side. And there is note also. We have to replace the first element with -1 as it has no element of its left side. And this is the length of the array because we have 6 elements. First, we will read this input by using readline function. You will notice here A is already read by readline function because and A is the length of the array. Next, elements of the array. Let ARR is the variable in which I am invoking readline function to read the array's element. If I pass this A and ARR here as parameters of solution function, which simply prints the arrays and the length of the array. By using console.log, I print both the values of variables. If I call this function here in res variable, then I console this res variable. Okay, in this we have got a string, but I need an array. That's why I am using split function here. Split will convert this string into an array. If I run this program, yes, we have array. We will convert this string into sub character strings by giving empty string here. Yes, to replace the space here, I am passing space here. Yes, we need to convert every character string into a number. For this, I am using map method here, in which I am passing number data type. It will simply convert this character string into a number. Now we will check. We will compare every element. Then we will replace. For this, then we will write logic here to compare and replace the elements of the array. First, we will declare variables. First, for counting, which is initialized by 0. Then we will check the maximum number. For this, I declare another variable max, which is also initialized by 0. Then we should have an empty array in which we are pushing all the elements, required elements. Then let array 1 is a variable in which I am assigning empty array. Then for accessing every element of the array, we are using for loop, in which I declare a variable I, which is initialized by 0. It will run till the length of the array. Then I am incrementing I value by increment operator. Then first I will check the zero index because we have to fix -1 in zero index. Then if I is equal to 0, the count will be assigned by zero index. In this, first we have to set first value -1. For this, we have to set first element array 1 of I will be, I'm assigning -1 in first index of the array. Then -1. Then I check the I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. If it is 0, the count will be 0. If no other element will not be found in this array, that's why I'm checking this. Count has 0 index, only one element. Then array 1. Sorry, this is the else statement is, in this statement we will find maximum number by using math.max method. Max will be math.max. We will find maximum number which is present in count and max. If count has the max or max has the max number, it will compare and then it will assign in max variable. Now max has the maximum value. Then array 1 of I is equal to, in which then I am assigning arrays the max number. For assigning this, I am writing equal to max. Then count will be add I. And then we will return here array 1. Okay. Then, but I don't need array. We have only number in output. For removing the array here, I am using join method here. And we can remove the comma here by passing the empty string here. Yes, for giving the space, I am passing space in empty string. Yes. If we run all the test cases, yes, this is a perfect code because this part, every test case here. I hope this video will helpful for you. We will solve another question in another video. If you have any suggestion or doubts regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section.